Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be talking about 9 signs that show that a girl is into you or she might have a crush on you. So listen up, boys. Also, those girls who are struggling to confess about their feelings to a guy, they might use these indirect ways to, convey their feelings. And yes, so let's get on to the video. I want a boyfriend. So, if a girl is into you, she'll just suddenly start showing interest in everything that you're interested in. Suppose all of your hobbies and the music you listen to. If you're a sports person, she'll suddenly start liking sports. And if you're a gamer, she'll try out gaming too. So, pay attention to that. Tell me are there any good ones left? So, secondly, if a girl has recently developed feelings for you, whenever you're around her, she's going to be really conscious, especially about her looks, and also give signs of nervousness. So, you should always be observant about her body language because it's going to speak a lot about how she feels about you. I keep finding wrong ones, but I want love. So, the third thing, if a girl is into you or has a crush on you, she's going to keep asking you about all your other friends, those who are girls, so that she knows whether you're interested in other girls or not and whether you're available or not. Again and again. So, if you're important to them, they'll always take out time for you. They'll always want to hang out with you, always be there for you when you need them the most. And they'll always make efforts to talk to you and also not take a lot of time to text back. Planning out simple things such as dates and all would seem so effortless because they'll always be up for it. So, yeah, that's also a very good sign. A side note to it, exam season, it's off limits because everyone gets busy and it's like just too hard to take out time for anyone. So, yeah, also keep that in mind. If a girl is into you, she's just gonna laugh at your jokes, even if they're really lame and corny. And she's just gonna appreciate your sense of humor and always just say, "Oh my god, you're so funny." So, yeah, this is something us girls would do if we like you. So, if you're hanging out with a girl and she continuously is like clicking your pictures, posting it as a story on different social media platforms, then it's a positive sign. I mean, she might post pictures and stories with everyone, but if she is finding out reasons to post with you and she's continuously doing that, that means it's actually a way of showing affection. Also, it's not just showing off, so she is giving you a feeling of acceptance, validation, confidence, commitment, and security because she's accepting you in front of her friends, family members, and relatives. So that is also a very big positive sign. It's not what I need. So, if you guys have been friends for really long, she's definitely going to open up a side of herself to you that others might not know. She's going to get comfortable around you and she's going to show her quirky side to you. She's going to open up about all her insecurities, and that is a positive sign. Want a boyfriend, but I just keep if you ever compliment a girl, do notice her reaction to it. If she makes an I don't care face, or if she blushes and if she smiles and everything. So, of course, if she's blushing and smiling, it is a positive sign. But if she makes like an I don't care face and she acts uncomfortable about it, so then, dude, she's definitely not into you and you should just back off. So, if a girl genuinely likes you, she'll remember legit everything about you. Not only the important things like your birthday and your college and everything, but also the smallest things which might be irrelevant. Maybe some of the memories that you've shared that you share with her, or maybe a stupid thing that you might have done in the past. And of course, you're not gonna know about this unless and until she comes up to you and tells. So, and if she does remember all of this and comes up to you and shares with you, So take it as a positive sign. I mean, she remembers everything. What could be better than that? So, like, the girl must be really into you if she remembers everything about you. So, I hope you found these points useful and you get to know who's into you and who's actually not into you, which would eventually help you a lot. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay safe, stay home, keep washing your hands, and I will meet you in my next video. Peace.
There's a difference between a